Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a Victorinox Smokey the Bear 75th Anniversary Tinker. And as you can see, this is pretty much just a standard Tinker, only it's got Smokey the Bear on it. And so, let me see if there's a copyright. So it says copyright right here, 2014. So probably at the making of this video, this is about 6 years old. I'm thinking the only distinctive part about it is, ooh, there looks like something on the back scale. Well, I was going to open this anyway, but let's go ahead and get this open so we can take a look at the back scale and see if there's anything cool on the back as well as the front. So, as Tinkers go, the Tinker is a pretty standard, like Swiss Army knife version or make, but I'm interested to check this one out and see what it's got scale wise. It looks like there's a bunch going on the back scale. Alright. Ooh, yeah, okay. That's kind of impressive. Okay, so on the front, as you can see, I'll try and show it to you. It's got Smokey the Bear with the 75th anniversary, and then it's got the little license thing up there top. On the back, it's got Smokey the Bear. I kind of feel like this should have been on the front. I mean, like when they packaged it, because I wasn't expecting anything quite this colorful when I opened it up. Huh. It's kind of cool. So you get some little bears with a kite, I guess? With a kite? Huh. And a raccoon with a birthday cake. Now, this is a standard... This is pretty much just a normal standard Tinker. You have toothpick, tweezers, and a small blade, large blade, and you have the can opener and the bottle opener. Now, on the back, the Tinker, instead of the corkscrew, has the Phillips head screwdriver. And you also get the usual awl on the back of it. The awl or reamer. I tell you, it's super weird that this is on the back. Because y'all saw in the packaging, all you saw was this front part. And, I mean, it's different, but it looks kind of bland. But having that on the back is definitely a colorful, kind of like surprise. Huh. I don't know. That is a weird choice. I would have thought they would have had the distinctive colorful part displayed on the front. But maybe it's just the tradition of they display it with the shield up. I don't know. Kind of a cool surprise, though. I wasn't expecting quite as colorful of a back scale. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.